top 5 exported items from India. So number 1 is automotive diesel. Number 2, polished diamond. Number 3, aviation turbine fuel. Number 4, smartphones. And number 5, motor gasoline. India's total export in financial year 24, that is from 2023 to 24, is $445 billion. Now, for your exam, you have to remember the top 5 exported items from India. So, number 1 is automotive diesel. Number 2, polished diamond. Number 3, aviation turbine fuel. Number 4, smartphones. And number 5, motor gasoline. So these are the 5 items which are exported from India, or you can say top 5 exported item. Now, if you see, smartphone is at 4th place, or you can say 4th largest exported item from India, whereas the same smartphones were at 5th largest exported item in financial 23. So you can see that we have improved the ranking, or you can say the place of smartphone, that is from 5th to 4th. Now, if I talk about smartphone, so you must also remember the top 5 export destination for smartphone. So most of India's smartphone are exported to number 1, that is at USA. Number 2, UAE. So we can say because of FTA, free trade agreement between India and UAE. Number 3, the Netherlands. Number 4, UK. And number 5, Italy. So these are the 5 destinations where India is exporting its smartphone. Now, these days, UPSC is asking question in assertion and reason also. That is, assertion based questions also are asked by the UPSC. So they can ask you that what is the reason for increase in the export of smartphone. So basically there are 2 reasons. Number 1, you can say production link incentive scheme for the manufacturing, or you can say assembly of smartphones in India. And number 2, China plus strategy. So in comment section, tell me what is this China plus strategy. So I hope you learn something from this video. So we'll meet soon. Till then, Jai Hind and have a nice day.